everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. My guest today, she can tell you about some of the things that she has gone through medically, and you will agree that this lady is deserving of a super, super beautiful makeover. Hey Jackie, welcome. I'm excited about your makeover.
Hi Lola, thank you so much for having me, and I'm excited about the makeover too. In 2016, I was diagnosed with a brain tumor, and much to my shock, it was really scary situation for me.
I have made a hair unit for Jackie to just rejuvenate her entire look, to make her look younger, and I thought with her beautiful green eyes that this red hair unit would just complement her. I also want to give her a facelift just to pull all of her features tight, to give her a youthful appearance. And I'm going to stop talking so much and let you guys see how we're going to start and how we're going to complete Jackie's beautiful transformation makeover. Okay, I've added clips to Jackie's unit just where she's going to need them. And I have fallen in love with this Even Wonder spray adhesive. I'm telling you, I've just never thought that a spray adhesive could give the kind of hold that it does. So I'm not paid to endorse this product, but I just love using it. And it just works great for a semi-permanent bond that can last anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on, if you want to tie it off at night. How do you like your new look so far?
I love it. It doesn't even look like me.
My goodness, talk about a major transformation. She is just absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Jackie, I am so pleased and proud with this installation.
I don't even recognize this person.
I know. Oh my goodness, look, it just came out so beautifully. I'm stunned. You are absolutely gorgeous. Everybody, thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. And this makeover, oh my goodness, I am in awe. She looks absolutely phenomenal.
Thank you.
You are very welcome, and thank you everybody for joining me for another amazing transformation. I'll be back real soon with another. In the meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed, please do, and hit that notification bell so you will always know when I'm working my magic. Take care everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.